I first discovered ATS by one of my friends. My friends graduated from ATS, and she was doing clinicals, and I was asking her, like, what school do you go to? And she said ATS, and she said it was a good program, so here I am. It was a smaller school with less prereqs, so it was easier for us to just go right into the nursing program. So that was an advantage that I had and felt like every nursing student will have, because it's easier to just go right in. One thing I learned from this program was how to study properly. I guess in every other field, you don't really, how to study, you just read the book, but critically thinking is something I really learned from this program. Just how everybody was a team, I feel like our class was really a team, and that's something that you can carry on to the next career or the next level of your life, to know that we're here together and not against each other. We're here to help one another instead of having a competition with one another. So we became a family here, and that's what I took on, and that's what I can take on to the next level in my life. Like, we're here to be a family and not be a competition to one another. Future ATS students, study. Go over your notes every chance you get, and just know that it's okay to fail. Just get back up and never stop. Just keep going. Always keep going. Never stop.